Gold and silver started the week on a flat note. We can see not a clear direction with the Asia session as of now. Neither the bulls nor the bears are active here, though we can see slight bearishness in gold while silver is trying to recover a bit. What to expect now throughout the day from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation always. Do like, share, and comment. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly chart, self-explanatory here. See this. This is how it has been trading. Lower lows, lower highs, nice flag formation after this great bullish move here. And notice the 20 and 50 period moving averages are offering it a greater resistance. Prices which were trading with divergence from 20 period, it has moved towards 20 period, and you can also see a greater resistance around 20 period moving average. And the zone at 20, 30 26 30 28 should be a greater resistance, and then the next one should be at around 30 36 38. These two levels are going to remain critical. Moving averages have crossed over after staying bullish for multiple weeks, and this is a good sign for bears out here. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is already retraced sharp. It is also seen crossing over on the buy side after hitting the lows here. This is a mixed indication. As you can see, the resistance here from the 20 period, while the MACD is crossing over here at the bottom, which suggests slight further up move. RSI running flat, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See, every drop follows with a retracement, and now this 20 and 50 period moving average is definitely offering it a greater resistance. We can see every drop follows with a retracement towards the 2050. Let the moving averages cross over. This will confirm the bearishness for the next few uh, sessions or candles here. Also on the downside, the support levels are pretty intact. $3,000 levels, 2990 and 2980.84. This is going to be the prime support zone. Any drop below 2980 should invite more bears out here. Stochastic looking down, MACD sharply bearish here. RSI is also almost at the bottom here. Coming to 3 hour. Now on the 3 hour charts, very important for gold to trade below 3014 3010 zone, which should be a greater support. Below 3010 again we can expect slight bearishness, and more bearishness is only and only if it trades below 3000 and 2980. Greater supports available till then. Moving averages has started to converge, not yet crossed over though. Stochastic has retraced here. The MACD is trading with divergence. The MACD is trading with bearishness here. RSI is also trading with moderate bearish. When you look at 4 hour charts, a similar observation here. The pattern is quite similar. You can see this. Every drop follows with a retracement. Now see what is happening here. The bearishness has got diminished, and see it is coming off from the 20 period moving average, which suggests that the next candle is going to be bearish possibly, which suggests that the prices might move towards 50 period moving average, which is sitting right now close to 3000 3004 zone. This should also act as a greater support zone, what we had seen the last trading session, 3000 acting as a greater support. And see, the 50 period was sitting there. Now it is slightly upwards. If you look at the stochastic, this is trading comfortable. The MACD, after the crossover at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. The RSI is also trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily chart, see one important aspect. After this reversal sign, we have seen a strong bearish candle here. The body size was more than half or almost half, which suggests that the momentum might continue today as well. Also notice today what it has done. It has started on a flat note, and thus it is pretty clear that the bullishness is only confirmed if it trades above 302628 zone. As long as 302628 is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bullish here. Very clear. As long as 302628 is not taken, we have to be careful with the buys here. Now notice what is happening on the downside. Higher lows are seen consistently. First support zone should come into picture at around 3014 3010 zone, and then below that 3000 3004 zone. Very good support available till then, and below that what will happen, prices could move all the way towards 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 2980, and below that the median of the Bollinger Bands at 2960. This is going to be the next support zone, and this appears to be an easily achievable zone. Now notice this is the formation here, symmetrical formation with higher lows. So this might continue here for a while, and the possibility of a down move cannot be denied here. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over RSI, coming out of the overbought zone. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So considering this move, I'll recommend you to buy gold at only 30, 26, 28 zone. If you see gold staying above this, you can buy and expect it to move towards 30, 36, 38 zone. If at all gold trades above 30, 36, 38, possibility will be very, very, very high that we may see 30, 48, 52 levels as the next target. And if this is taken this time, I think the highs would be broken, and then you can look forward to 30, 62, 64 and then 30, 80 levels. See, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. It shows one side of the picture and delivers another. And thus you need to be trading with caution, specifically on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend to sell at 3014 levels, expect 301008 first target, 3000 3002 as the next targets, 2990 2992 as the third, and then 298084. Any drop below 298084 should take the prices all the way towards 2960 2940 levels. If not today, some point of time in this week. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, after staying bearish, now it is trying to converge, and after a while now the prices are trading above the 20 period moving average. The next resistance is at 33.20.25. If you see it is staying above the zone at 33.20.25, you can expect that the prices would move towards 30 40 33.40 33.60. So now 33.20.25 should offer the first resistance, and then the next and most important resistance for silver on the upside is towards 33.40 33.60 levels. These are going to remain the prime resistance level, because beyond 33.60 the possibility of a move towards 33.85 34 will increase, and a move beyond 34 is a clear sign of reversal and a rally ahead. Stochastic has come out of the overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with moderate divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising here. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, what's happening? See, the preceding candle, a swing candle, prices have kissed the 20 period moving average. Very, very important for price to stay above 33.20.25, and then we can expect little bullishness here towards 33.40 33.60. Reversal or a bullish confirmation in silver is only and only if it trades above 33.85 $34 levels. Stochastics overbought here. The MACD, after retracing towards the bottom, has now crossed over. It is looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls here. It possibly might take the prices a little higher. RSI looking upwards, that is again slight supportive sign for the bulls. Coming to the 3 hour chart, important point on the 3 hour charts is the crossover in the moving averages on the sell side. This was the last crossover, and then this is the second crossover here, almost after a few weeks. And now notice what is happening. Prices are trading with little divergence from the 2050. What it will do, it will try to retrace and wait for the moving average to come down. So these both things may happen simultaneously, and thus the more time it spends on the downside suggests that the lower will be the resistance, and that is why I say first resistance for the day it should be at around 33.40 33.60, and the next strongest one at around 33.85 40 34. If these two levels are taken, these two zones are taken, then only we can confirm the back of the bulls or the return of the bulls in silver here. Stochastic rising, MACD has retraced towards the bottom, waiting for a crossover here in order to confirm a reversal. RSI rising here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, see, every rise offsets with a retracement. That is how silver trades. Now, most importantly, what has happened, see, it has consolidated here, then we have seen this rise, it has come down to same zone. Now only and only if it trades below 32.60 32.40, you can say now the bears are taking over, and then we can look forward to a greater down move all the way towards 32. On the downside, 32.40 32.60, as long as it respects, we have to be careful with the sells. Stochastic rising, MACD has dropped sharp, waiting for a crossover here. RSI trying to look upwards. Coming to daily, look at daily charts here. Every rise offsets with a retracement here, and it appears that it is trying to form a symmetry from here, where you can see the lows could be slightly higher, but at least the bottom here is towards $32 levels. And that is why I say as long as it respects 32 40 60, you have to be careful. But once that is taken, then the next movement is going to take it all the way towards 32 31.80 zone. Right now, too early to conclude with that. If you look at the daily charts, what has happened? Two strong bearish candles. Now it is taking the support from the 20 period and trying to bounce back. Hence, not yet confirming the further bearishness. If you see it is staying below 3280 levels, you can take a sell expected to move towards 3260, 3240, and if that is taken, then certainly we can stay short for $32 levels. The stock stick has crossed over here after trading bullish, forming twin top. Not a good sign for the bulls here, and the RSI is running flat. So considering this, one thing is pretty clear: the buying entry has to be above 3325 levels. Expect 3340, 3360 as the target zone here. As long as this zone is respected, you have to be careful with the buys. That is pretty clear. Beyond this, 3385, 34 should be the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3280 levels. Expect 3260, 3240 as the first target zone, and these two levels are going to remain a greater resistance and support zone. Below 3240 is where you can expect the bears to take over. Then the targets are going to be towards 32, 3175, 3150, and 31 in the near future, if not today. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.